Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're going to head to B&Q and check out the brand new delivery of plants. As always, I'm not going to touch on all the stock. I'm just going to go through the new bits that they've had in store this week. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So this is my local store in Uttoxeter in Staffordshire. National deliveries should be roughly the same though, guys. So just here, just to begin with, we have these perennial pots. Now these are absolutely lovely. Now got a really good balance of heuchera and some sedums just in here. And for the money, I don't feel that they're too bad. Get planted out straight into the garden once they're actually looking a little bit tired. Moving on then, so we've got some beautiful fuchsia plants. Now these are not hardy, so just bear that in mind. And these love an absolute shady spot, or part sun, part shade. Geraniums then, £11. These are a complete sun lover. You can actually save these, put them in a windowsill over winter, and then they'll be good to go, ready for next year. And then just here we've got some dahlias which die back to a tuber for just £10 just there. I absolutely love this variety. The colour's spectacular, and they make a fabulous cut flower. Like I say, you can save these back to a tuber, so you basically shake off all the excess soil, and it leaves you with like a bulb that you just have to dry out. So moving on then, we've got some summer bedding pots. Now I feel these are a touch pricey, because if you were to buy these plants individually, you could probably make it much cheaper than buying these two for £28. But let's just go through what they've got in there. So they've got some Sophinias or petunias. They're absolutely beautiful, to be fair. We've got some Bidens, which will get nice and big. Some marigolds, some busy lizzies, fuchsia in the middle with a lobelia on the end just there. So that's a complete sun-loving pot. We've got some dianthus pinks just here for £6. These are classed as a semi-evergreen in your garden, so they won't drop too many leaves depending on the position, so they're quite a good investment. Moving on, we've got some begonia pots then for just £15. Again, these are just a summer bedder, so just bear in mind we're having a few cold nights at the moment, so if you are to purchase some of these, you may just need a little bit of fleece popping over or bringing closer to the house. And then we've got some more summer bedding pots just here as well. £23 for those, with the euonymus in the middle and with no offer. So moving around then, we've got this beautiful climber, £65. It is quite steep. You do get quite a lot for your money, but I do feel it's a little bit out of my personal price range. And then we've got some clouds just here for £70. So there's 3 different trees just here, and they're called clouds because that's what they're shaped into. And they do take some clipping. I'm not going to lie to you guys. You're going to be pruning these at least 4 times a year to keep the shape. But I really do quite like those. But they are fully hardy and they are evergreen as well. Moving around then to some more summer bedders. So we've got some beautiful Sophinia petunias. Now these are all in a mix and match offer, 4 for £15 or £4 each. This variety is absolutely beautiful. And if you're looking at something like a 14-inch basket, you'll only need 3. You really don't have to overfill that basket in order to get them full over the season. And then again there, we've got some more of those beautiful dahlias, which again, die back to a tuber. So moving on then, Sweet Williams. So we've got four for £14. They are a really good investment. These can go out now. They're a little bit hardier when it comes to bedding plants. And then we've got some salvias in the same mix and match offer, 4 for £14. They add a beautiful red colour into the garden. And then these are my favourite. These are called verbena. There is a upright variety and a trailing variety, so just bear that in mind. And then we've got some impassions, busy lizzies, which are absolutely beautiful. These love the sun. They're a real sun lover. And when I did my apprenticeship, we used to make busy lizzie balls
of them, because they grow that well that you can put them just in a hanging basket, give them lots of water and feed them with like Miracle Grow or something like a tomato, right, and they'll get that big that they just create this big ball. Really, really pretty. So moving on then, so we've got some marigolds. So these are £2.25 for a 4-pack. Now these make a great companion plant. They're like quite scented, so the pests tend to go to those, and they'll leave your tomatoes and things like that alone. And then we've got some busy lizzies in the 4-packs as well, but no mix and match offer on those, unfortunately. So we've got 10 packs then of busy lizzies for £6, and again no mix and match offer on those. And then we've got some small million bells, 2 for £14, I believe. So yeah, they're really nice. They're like a different Sophinia petunia, a lot smaller, more compact, but they kind of cascade the same. And then we've got some more Sophinia petunias just here. But all of these are kind of on different offers, so just bear that in mind as you're looking through the stock. Some are 2 for 14, some are 4 for 14. Just bear that in mind as you're going through. So just here we've got some beautiful fuchsias. Now, as mentioned earlier, these require like part sun, part shade. They really don't mind it shady. So if you've got like a north-facing garden, then these will be ideal for you. And they'll still flower the socks off. So we've got some more verbena. Again, these are the 2 for 14. So bear them offers in mind as you're looking through. We've got some really lovely pink daisies. I absolutely really love these. These flower the socks off all summer. And all you've got to do with that is simply take off the dead heads and it will create more flowers. This is Bacopa. This is a trailing variety of like a hanging basket plant. One of my absolute favourites. Comes in either a blue or a white. They're really, really quite lovely. And then we've got some lobelia, and it will state on there whether it's trailing or whether it's upright. And again, these are in the 2 for £14. Ideal for hanging baskets. I always plant mine sort of around the sides. And then we've got some African marigolds just here. You can tell that they're African ones because like the big sort of in-your-face flowers as opposed to the French marigolds. And again, they're 2 for £14. Again, scented, so you can use them as a companion plant to attract the insects to those instead of being on your plants. So as you can see, the gearing up with the Sweet William plants just here, absolutely loaded with buds. And again, these are just £9, no fixed offer. So again, bear that in mind. And then we've got some more lobelia just there, 4 for £14. And then we've got some more marigolds there, £2.25 for the 4-packs. And these are the French marigolds. You can tell the difference because they're sort of quite a lot smaller. So I will say the store looks pretty good at the moment. This is my local store in Uttoxeter, as I mentioned, but it does look pretty decent. So moving on, we've got some dahlias, and again, these die back to like a tuber in the winter, so you can sort of shake the excess off, and they'll be absolutely fine till next year. This is the only thing what kind of lets B&Q, B&M and places like that down. If you just take off the odd dead heads, look how different this plant looks now compared to what it looked like before I actually deadhead them. And that's all you need to do in order to keep these plants looking the best all year. It takes 2 seconds, snip off the dead heads, and they'll flower the socks off all summer. These can go in pots or go in the ground. And again, they make a beautiful cut flower. They're stocked up really well. I'm very lucky. I have a friend who takes care of me when it comes to dahlias, and I'll be planting my dahlias out once the frosts have passed, so probably towards the end of this month. So we've got some snapdragons, antirrhinums. We've finally found some. It's been a really quiet year for these, but got a really lovely variety. Not too many though, as you can see. And then we're moving on, we've got some more marigolds on the fixed offer. So this is Biden's with the yellow flower. Then we've got some different fuchsia plants just here. Worth mentioning, the Biden's with the yellow flower does love full sun. And again, these fuchsias, part sun, part shade. Then we've got some daisies, marguerites, and they're in an offer. And you can see all the tiny little buds on them. So they will do absolutely fantastic. Then we've got a small selection of pansies. Again, these will flower all summer. And these are actual edible flower as well. So you can put them on top of your cakes and things like that. And also geranium is an edible flower. This variety is a trailing variety. And these are in the offer. The flowers actually look really, really special. And as mentioned, you can actually eat the flower on the geraniums. They don't taste that great, I'll be honest with you. But they garnish a salad or cakes or even in a cocktail. So bear that in mind. So this pelargonium is... Pelargoniums in the geranium family. That's really quite different. I really love like the firecracker style flowers on those. And again, these can get brought in over winter, sunny windowsill, give them a little bit of a chop, and then you can actually plant them out again next year. So they are a little bit of an investment for your garden when it comes to a summer bedding plant, if you've got a sunny windowsill for them. So osteospermums then, these are actually still looking great. Classed as a perennial. I've not had much luck in my garden, and I do believe I had this exact variety last year, and it hasn't come back for me. Doesn't mean it won't come back for you. All to do with like where you plant it in the garden, and where you are in the UK, right? And then we've got some more Biden plants just there, the 4 for 15 offer, which is a pretty decent sized plant. I always love planting in block colours. So if I was to do like one pot, I'd just simply put all Bidens in it, and I wouldn't put a mix and match, but that's just me personally. It will come to impact sales, to be fair. And then we've got some more pelargoniums just here. You can see you've got the variegated leaves. Again, all summer bedding plants, but you can bring these in on a windowsill and overwinter them, give them a little bit of a chop back, and they'll be absolutely fine for next year as long as they're in a frost-free environment over the winter. So they've got some calendula then just there in the marigold family. Again, an edible flower, but just strictly a summer bedding plant. So when the frosts are here, they are done. And then we've got a different variety of the calendula just there. Some people call them calendula because that's how they're spelt, but I've always been told calendula. And then we've got some more beautiful fuchsias loaded with buds. More Bidens, which they're heavily stocked this year. And then we've got some more antirrhinums just there as well. Really quite lovely flower. 3 for £12 though. I think that's quite expensive, but I don't know what's going on with antirrhinums this year. I haven't seen too many. So back to the dahlias then. So they have got several varieties in stock, and they are on a mix and match as well. So you can always bear that in mind. But again, as mentioned, I personally like block colours when it comes to my pots and hanging baskets. It's just a personal preference. Moving around then, we've got plenty more of the geraniums. And these are the ivy form. You can tell the difference. The what they call zonal, which is upright, slightly bigger leaves. But some of the flowers on these are absolutely spectacular. But again, you just take off the dead heads in the actual flower stem themselves, and they'll just keep flowering and flowering and flowering all season long. You can feed these with like Tomerite or Miracle Grow. I use a seaweed feed for mine. So moving on then, we've got a 4 for £11 in this range. So we've got lobelia, we've got verbena. Now this is one of my absolute favourites. Verbena I absolutely love. As you can see right next to it is an upright variety. The one on the left is a trailing variety, and if you look closely you can actually tell the difference. One's upright, one's trailing. Slightly different habits depending on where you want to put them in your hanging basket and all that sort of good stuff. Moving around then, we've got like the zonal geranium, so they're the upright ones. Still got a very small selection of sweet peas in 4 for £9 in passions there just to the right, and some violas. I actually really love white busy lizzies, and I don't know why, but there's something about a white busy lizzie for me. I got drawn to it. Having said that, they've still got a decent selection with a few different colours. We've got some Saphinias, and again, Saphinias are great for hanging baskets. They make a lovely trailing variety, specifically the Saphinia petunia. That's a better trailer than a petunia. It's a bit more upright. So we've got some variegated trailers just here, and then we've got plenty more petunias just there. Got some Lismachia, which is a lovely trailing plant. Again, these are all just summer bedders. And then we've got some lovely, what we call non-stops begonias, very different to the bedding begonias. These are ideal for hanging baskets, troughs, or planters. They actually die back to like a corm, which you can save, and they'll resprout again next year. So again, they're a little bit of an investment if you're willing to put the little bit of time in. Once the frosts are here, vineweed will tend to love those though, so just bear that in mind. And then we've got some really lovely pansies, more geraniums, and then more sweet williams as well. But I must say, quality looks pretty fantastic. So this really caught my eye then. So we've got some brand new lupins in stock at the moment. £16. So lupins are perennial. They'll come back every single year. And to be fair, they get better and better. And with lupins at this size, the slugs still attack them, but they've got plenty more to go at until you can take action. If you've got a smaller plant, they tend to rip through them really, really quickly. But they look fantastic. Then moving on, we've got some hydrangeas just here for £13. Just bear in mind, there's a little bit of brown tinging on the actual flower leaves themselves. All that will be the elements from where it's come from and to where it is now. You'll find this everywhere in garden centres, nurseries, and stores like this. So it's nothing that B&Q particularly done, if that makes sense. So blue ones require an ericaceous compost, white or pink require a multi-purpose compost to keep those blooms looking healthy. Now just bear in mind, in this collection there's a few more expensive ones, so it's always worth checking the label. They're up to £22 in this. So I will just say this moment in time, massive well done to the Eutoxia store. I think things are looking fantastic, and well done you.
There we have it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got something from it, then please give it a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing. I really would appreciate it. But until tomorrow, I will see you in the garden. You guys take care.